Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. Look what I have in my hands. This is a 12.5-foot telescopic ladder. Super lightweight and so compact. Check out how we use it. You're gonna love it. You just unclasp it and you pull up. It's as simple as that. The lightweight material makes it glide up nice and easy. You can drop it down. It's almost like it is on hydraulics when you're putting it down. The material hasn't rusted. We've stored it in our barn. It's been nice and easy to clean. We just hose it down after each use. Clasp it back together to keep it in place, and that's it. So don't stress about having to get a ladder out to change a bulb or get up to the roof or to haul somewhere, because this is so compact, lightweight, and easy to use. I really know that you're going to enjoy it. I know we do, and that's my point of view.